Welcome back to Health Bulletin. Today, we're tackling an essential topic that affects us all. An update from the World Health Organization on the current COVID-19 situation as of August 2024. If you think COVID-19 is behind us, think again. The numbers are rising and new variants are emerging. This information is crucial for staying informed and prepared, so be sure to watch this video until the end. The latest WHO epidemiological update reveals some worrying trends. During the 4-week period from June 24th to July 21st, 2024, the percent positivity of SARS-CoV-2 PCR tests has nearly doubled, increasing from 7.4% to 13% across 85 countries. This isn't just a slight uptick, it's a significant rise that signals a potential resurgence of the virus. So why does this matter? Because these numbers aren't just statistics. They represent real people, real lives, and real challenges that the global community is facing right now. The increase in COVID-19 cases and deaths, up by 30% and 26% respectively, which highlights the continued threat posed by this ongoing pandemic. We need to stay informed and vigilant. One of the key takeaways from the WHO update is the shifting landscape of COVID-19 variants. The JN.1 variant, which has been the most reported variant of interest globally, is now being overtaken by its descendant lineages, KP 3.1.1 and LB1. These variants are showing an increasing prevalence, accounting for 18.6% and 9.3% of sequences by the end of July. This is critical information because it shows us how the virus is evolving. Variants under monitoring, such as KP3, KP2, and others, are declining in prevalence, but that doesn't mean we're out of the woods. The rise of new variants could lead to increased transmission, more severe illness, and potentially greater strain on our healthcare systems. And speaking of healthcare, the data is clear. Hospitalizations and ICU admissions are on the rise. Over 23,000 new hospitalizations and more than 600 new ICU admissions were reported during the latest 28-day period. This represents an 11% increase in hospitalizations and a 3% increase in ICU admissions, which is a concerning trend. Now, more than ever, we need to emphasize the importance of vaccinations. According to the WHO's latest COVID-19 Vaccination Insights report, 9.8 million individuals received a dose of the COVID-19 vaccine across 73 reporting member states in the first quarter of 2024. Among older adults who are particularly vulnerable, the uptake rate is still low at 0.42%. These numbers show us that while vaccination efforts are ongoing, there is still a long way to go. Vaccination is one of our strongest tools against the pandemic, and increasing vaccine coverage is crucial for controlling the spread of the virus, especially with new variants emerging. It's essential that we continue to support vaccination efforts, not just in our own communities, but globally. So, what can you do? Stay informed, stay vigilant, and continue to follow public health guidelines. Encourage vaccination within your community and support efforts to increase vaccine accessibility worldwide. This pandemic isn't over, and we need to work together to protect ourselves and others. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on global health issues. Together, we can make a difference in combating this ongoing pandemic.